If your condenser unit is making a rattling noise when it starts up, you've got to fix it fast before it drives you nuts or messes up your whole system. Here's the deal. First, check if the mounting screws are loose, because those little guys can totally cause that annoying rattle. Next, take a peek at the fan blades. Sometimes they're hitting something or bent out of shape. If you spot any debris like leaves or twigs caught inside, get those out right away. Also, make sure the condenser unit is sitting on a flat surface so it doesn't vibrate weirdly. You might want to oil the fan motor bearings if they sound squeaky too. Another thing is to check the fan blade clearance to see if it's too tight and rubbing against the casing. If you feel comfy doing it, tighten all the screws and bolts, but be careful not to over-tighten and strip them. Remember, safe and steady fixes save you from costly repairs later, you know? One of the biggest mistakes people make with a rattling condenser unit is ignoring loose mounting screws, which just lets the noise get worse and can damage the whole system. So always tighten those up right away. Another common issue is not checking the fan blade clearance, which can lead to the blades hitting the housing and causing that annoying rattle. Adjusting or replacing bent blades usually fixes this. Lastly, people forget to clear out debris trapped inside the unit. That stuff blocks airflow and makes noise, so regularly cleaning around the condenser is key to keeping it quiet and efficient. BigHomeProjects.com makes life way easier by connecting homeowners with trusted local contractors who really know their stuff. It also helps contractors find good work by matching them with people who need their skills, so everyone wins.